You're absolutely right that that sort of splitting is the same sort of thing. This whole process goes by this name.
Mitochondria?
No,
Mitosis.
mitosis. Yeah, it's a little bit like the end of your legsis. That doesn't work, does it? Mitosis. Oh, shut up. Right, mitosis
Oh.
anyway. It's called mitosis, and it's the process in which cells divide.
Split
And this is part of something called the
the
cell
Pacific Ocean.
cycle. Now, a cycle, Alvin, is something that goes round
The, the
and
Pacific Ocean
round.
cycle.
Would you rather be doing geography?
Yeah. Geography
Probably.
is my favorite.
Well, we'll do geography next, maybe, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. The cell cycle, though, goes round and round and round.
Yeah,
And
but once it gets smaller, it has to go the other way.
what do you mean?
So, like that way.
Hmm.
And then when you finish the first one, it's that way. Then the second one, you go that way. Then the third one that way. Then this one.
Oh, well, this one you can't cycle backwards. No, you have to keep going forwards all the time, all right? Otherwise, you get into a proper mess. The first stage, look at this, is called, see if you can pronounce it.
Interface.
That's right. You then get,
Mitosis.
you then
Ribosomes.
get, you're just making words up. Mitosis, that's good. You then
Mitosis.
get,
Ribosomes.
right, Mr. Superstar Reader, wait for it. I want you to say it all in one. Think about it.
Cytoplasmic division.
Oh, very good. Cytoplasmic division. Fantastic. Really well done. So basically, interphase is like this. It's your fried egg and it's just sitting there and it doesn't look like much is happening, Alf, but actually it is. It's making a copy of everything that's inside the cell, but you know, it sort of looks like it's resting. Mitosis is that bit where the nucleus splits. So we end up with two nuclei, they're called, two nucleuses. And then
Two
cytoplasmic
nuclei.
division is when this happens, right?
Wait, two up googly eyes.
Two googly eyes. Yes. What are the two googly eyes, though?
Cytoplasmic division.
No, they're like two fried eggs on your eyes. What are the fried eggs again?
Cell cycle.
They're cells, aren't they?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
right. So here's a cell,
Hmm.
and then that cell, which is resting, is in which of those stages? It's just resting. Which of those stages is it in?
Mitosis.
No, it's in interphase when it's resting. Then, oh look, its nucleus is all splitting. Hey, look, its nucleus has split. So its nucleus has split. What stage is it in now?
Mitosis.
That's right. And then finally, what stage was that?
Cytoplasmic division.
Fantastic. So close your eyes. What's the first stage?
Interface.
The second stage?
Uh,
Have a peek. Go on, cheat.
Mitosis.
Very good. And the last stage?
Cytoplasmic division.
Fantastic. And that's called
Ah,
the cell cycle. Are you happy with that?
yeah.
And it's the way in which cells replicate. Now, I want to look at mitosis in a bit more detail. So here we go.
It paused.
Here's your fried egg.
A boiled egg.
Fried egg. And this is in what stage?
Interphase.
Very good. And then these appear, they're always there, but we can see them clearly. What are these called? Can you remember?
The cell.
Chromosomes.
Chromosomes.
Can you say chromosome?
Chromosome.
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 Okay, chromosomes. So 23 pairs of chromosomes, and then they all line up. So if we just have a little look at the
And then they
nucleus,
split into a division contraction.
cytoplasmic division, very good.
Yep,
They all line up.
Mosquito.
How many pairs of chromosomes are there?
4.
No,
5. 23.
23 pairs. Now, pair is 2. Did you know that?
Yeah.
So actually, we've got 23 and another 23. They all line up like that.
But Dad,
Then,
4 pairs are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18. 16, 18. See? Because I know how to count in 2s and I know how to count in 20s.
do you know how
Counting
to count in 20s?
Yeah. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Brilliant. Okay, sit back a little bit, mate, otherwise you'll knock the camera. These chromosomes, do you remember seeing this on the video I showed you? Them all lining up. Do you remember
Yeah,
this? And having a copy. Do you remember what happens next?
they split.
Right, they go to different ends, don't they? So
Yeah.
inside the nucleus, we get that. And obviously there's 23 pairs of these. And then we've got these down this end, like that.
Dad, that looks like a circular ring of DNA.
Looks
Just
a little
look.
bit like, what is the circular ring of DNA called, Alvin? Can you remember?
Plasmids.
Very good. Right, then we get the two
Eggs. Eggies.
nuclei. Yes, a little bit like fried eggs. And then, hey, look, this is the clever bit. Having done all of that, it then starts again. That one will go on, and that one will go down there because we have cytoplasmic division, and the nucleus separates, or the cytoplasm separates, taking one of the nuclei with it, and the whole thing starts again. So this is where we get the cycle, mate. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That the cell separates in that way. So that's mitosis. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Notice these are the key points, 3 key points. The first key point, I'm going to do this in orange, is that one parent cell, because this is called a parent cell. It's not really a parent. It doesn't tell it off and go to bed at the right time and, things like parents do. But it gave birth to these daughter cells. They're called daughter cells.
Daughter cells are girl cells.
Yeah, so the parent cell is before the division. The daughter cells, it's what's
And
produced.
the brother cell.
There's no little boy cells, unfortunately. Very unfair. So one parent cell makes how many daughter cells?
One parent cell makes 2 parent cells.
One parent cell makes 2 daughter cells, yeah?
Yeah.
And there is how many times? Go on.
Oh my goodness, why did I forget that? Why did I just say that? 1 parent cell, 2 parent cell.
I don't know, Alvin. You are a rule unto yourself, but you're very clever. This one parent cell makes two
Makes
daughter
two
cells.
daughter cells.
Right. And there is one division. A division is when you divide something, when you split something up.
Yep.
So there is just one division
One
in
div
mitosis.
one division cell.
No, one division, one splitting up. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So heavy stuff. A lot of students have all sorts of troubles with mitosis. As you can see here, where we look at the specification, it's a big section, mitosis in the cell cycle. And we've sort of covered most of this today. But look what comes up next.
20.
What's that say?
1.2.3 stem cells.
Stem cells. And you know what stem cells are, don't you? Because we've done a little bit of this, yeah? So we've done a bit of stem cells. We haven't done therapeutic cloning. We'll have to have a little look on that. And then we can go and talk about transporting cells next lesson, I think. But for now, Alvin John, I am incredibly impressed. Well done on finishing your first homework. And we are not far away from finishing your first section. And I'm going to give you the first written test that you'll have done ever. How scary is that? Are you up to it, Alvin?
Yeah.
Will you meet the challenge?
You know I am gonna go to the challenge.
Okay, mate, I love you.
Mm-hmm.
I said I love you.
I said that in my own voice.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. See ya.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Bye.
Bye.